Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we are replacing boot soles with Yeezy soles. Please stick around as I take you with me on the process of replacing soles. Now that you've seen the before, I will show you the process of the after. Now that we've taken off the laces, we are now going to put alcohol inside the shoe. Reason being is because it makes the sole a little bit easier for us to take off, making our job just a little bit easier. I have cut to the part where we put alcohol on the outside of the shoe. This is because we want to get the sole nice and moisturized so it could be easier to take off. As you can see, we are doing the same process as we did with the Yeezy shoes. Now we are chipping away at the sole, making sure it comes off cleanly and it doesn't leave any damage. This task usually begins quite difficult, but once you get inside the sole, it tends to get a little bit easier. Now that we have gotten rid of half the sole, we are trying to peel it off like a band-aid. This usually tends to get a little bit long, so I'm going to cut it out for you. This is a very satisfying process, yet takes a long time. we are now doing the same process to the other shoe. Now that we're done with the Yeezys, we are now going to move on to the boots. We are chipping away at the soles, once again, just on the boots. As you can see, we did the other side of the shoe off camera. We put molds in the shoe. This makes the shoe hard and even, like if a person was wearing it. As we slowly but surely take off the sole from the boot, we are making sure that the boot is nice and okay and not damaged. Off camera, we put the Yeezy soles on the boots. You will see the end product in a couple of seconds after I take the mold out of the shoe. As we show you the final product, please consider subscribing and leave a like on the video. It is free and it is your choice. Thank you.